The next year, when the 6th graders went off to junior high, the younger kids took their place at the top of the class and a new wave of 5th graders joined. I entered the GATE program with that initial group of 4th graders, which means that I was in the combo class for 3 years. Usually, if you have a teacher that you don't get along with, you only have to deal with them for 1 year. But I had the worst teacher I've ever had for 3 years. If that doesn't deserve a rant, I don't know what does. Let's call her Mrs. K for Karen. You know the type. I've talked to a handful of kids from the combo class in the years since, and it's not like I've been scientific with my data collection, but the pattern that I've noticed is that all the girls seem to have loved her, and all the guys seem to have hated her. I don't know what that means, but I detect bias. The combo class had 2 teachers, and when we needed to split up for grade-specific things, our other teacher would take the older kids. Let's call her Mrs. A for awesome. So during the final year in the class, I would occasionally get a break from the ever-present dread that Mrs. K caused, like a glass of water in the Sahara Desert. That might be a little dramatic, but that's how I felt. And you know what? Just because you're young doesn't mean your feelings aren't real.